Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. All right guys, today I am making a delicious casserole. I'm making a bacon cheeseburger tater tot casserole. I mean, what else is there to say? This is just so good. It is yummy, hearty, comforting. It's just a delicious casserole. You're going to want to make this one. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. All right, so you will need a 2-pound bag of tater tots, and these are the seasoned tater tots, but you could use the plain. 1 pound of ground beef. This is 4 slices of bacon that I have chopped and that I will fry. Then you're going to need 1 can of a cheddar cheese soup, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, a 16-ounce container of sour cream, a 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, and then a pinch of salt and pepper. All right, the first thing that I'm going to do is fry up my bacon. And you can fry up your bacon whole and then crumble it. I just like to chop up my bacon before I fry it. I find that easier, but do whatever's easier for you. All right, so you're going to want to cook your bacon until it's crispy, and then remove it from the pan and place it on a plate with a paper towel. All right, then I'm going to discard the rest of that grease from the bacon, and then I'm going to cook my ground beef until it's completely browned. So once your ground beef is completely cooked, I'm going to add it to a large bowl. And then I'm going to add the bacon. And then I'm going to add the can of cheddar cheese soup. And then the sour cream. And the 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I'm also going to add my dried mustard, a pinch of pepper, and a good pinch of salt. And then I'm just going to mix this all together. All right, and then I'm going to add my tater tots. And then I'm just going to mix all of this together. Okay, then I'm going to spray a 9x13 baking dish with some nonstick spray. And then I'm going to pour my bacon cheeseburger tater tot mixture into my baking dish. And I'm just going to spread this out evenly. And then I'm going to bake my casserole in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes until those tater tots are golden, the cheese is melted, everything's hot and bubbly. Yeah, here it goes. Okay, the bacon cheeseburger tater tot casserole is all done. It is time to dig in. Wow. I just don't have words. I mean, it has a delicious cheeseburger flavor, bacon, the tater tots. Ugh. And this is super simple to make. Didn't take me long at all, and it makes a good amount. And I'm sure that the whole family will love it. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.